welcome to Menon's Delicacies. This is Lata here. Hope you're fine. So today I'm going to make stuffed capsicums or bell peppers as we call it. Now there are a lot of ways of stuffing the capsicum. People stuff it with paneer, people stuff it with rice, people stuff it with meat, chicken. But today I'm going in the very conventional way, that is stuffing with potatoes. So let's start making it. So let's start making stuffed capsicums. I've taken 3 capsicum, different colors, 4 potatoes boiled and mashed, some mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1½ teaspoon of salt, 1½ tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, some coriander leaves chopped, 4 to 5 green chilies chopped, half a cup of grated carrot and half a cup of sweet corn. So let's start cutting the capsicum. I'll show you how to cut it like this, very carefully from the upper portion. We have to make a hole like this, remove this and clean the entire thing. So the capsicums are cut in this way, and I'll be showing you how to stuff this and then frying it in the oil. But before that, I'll be sauteing this capsicum in the oil for 2 to 3 minutes. So let's start. Now I've kept a pan here, a deep bottom pan. I'm going to add around 4 tablespoons of oil. Now the next step is just to add this capsicum and just saute this for 3 to 4 minutes. So you can see that the capsicums are nicely done. I've fried it for almost 2 to 3 minutes. See, now there are 2 ways of making this capsicum. Some people don't fry it, but I fried it because I don't like the raw taste. You can do it both ways. You can do it direct filling and frying it in the final stage, but I have just fried it in the beginning. So let's start stuffing the capsicums now. But before that, we have to make the masalas for the capsicum. So let's start doing that. So now we are using the same pot and the same oil, which is the balance which after frying the capsicum. So we are going to put the chilies, the ginger garlic paste, carrot, sweet corn. Let's saute this nicely and then we'll add the potato mix. Now I'm going to add the salt, coriander powder, the chili powder, bit of garam masala, that is 1 teaspoon. Let's saute this for nice 2 minutes. Our masalas are done. Now I'm going to add the mashed potato. Bit of coriander. I'll keep some for garnishing. Let us mix it nicely. Now our masala is done. I'll be switching off the gas at this point and adding the grated cheese. A little of cheese I'll keep to stuff it on top of the capsicum. After the entire stuffing is done, we'll be keeping this cheese on top. I'm going to start stuffing the masala into the capsicums now. So our stuffed capsicum is ready for frying. I have stuffed the entire masala into the capsicums. Now let's start frying it. I'm going to pour oil, around 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. We need more oil for frying the capsicum. Yeah, this is enough. Now let's close the lid and keep it for frying. So our colorful capsicums are done. Now I'm going to take it out. I fried it both the sides for 3 minutes. See, nicely done. So our stuffed capsicums are ready. I have cut the capsicums into 2 halves. As my capsicums was little big, you can use medium-sized capsicums, so then you don't need to cut it. I have garnished it with coriander leaves and cheese grated. You can serve it as appetizers for any parties or any functions or anything. So if you have liked the recipe, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thank you.